Hello again. Well, this morning I've been doing a tour in a rather breezy Caernarfon castle. It never ceases to amaze me the skills that were needed to build this. Thinking 1283 here, and it's just a superb feat of engineering for what I call one of the English castles on Welsh soil. Not everybody in Caernarfon is as talkative as me though. So it's now lunchtime and I'm back to Holyhead on the jetty. Very wet and windy at the minute, and that's the ship that I'm working with today. So see you later, Beaumaris this afternoon. So at the minute I'm in the dark corridors of Beaumaris Castle. Imagine being on a mission coming into here. Impressive, even though it was never finished. Now that's what you call making an entrance. This is where the drawbridge would have been over the moat, and that's the area where the dock was, so that they could actually bring materials and goods in straight across from the Menai Strait into the castle. So another homecoming after a great day. 2 tours, one in Caernarfon Castle and the other one in Beaumaris Castle. So here's to the dogs. Good guys. So thank you all, great day.